Aminin mo, sinisiksik mo na lang ba ang sarili mo sa lugar na hindi ka nakasya? Ang bigat, no? Pero seryoso. Kanina, pag-load ko ng laundry, yun talaga pumasok sa isip ko. Si Asher, finally, he's using the real litter box na, big boy litter box. From the small train na tinatrain siya ni Archie. Now, upgraded na siya. He upgraded because he finally learned. Natuto na siya, kaya ready na siya sa mas malaking level. Looking at that video ng shinare ko, napaisip ako, ganun din naman tayo minsan eh. We feel stuck. Pakiramdam natin yung mundong ginagalawan natin parang ang sikip-sikip na. We feel frustrated sa work, sa routine, or sa situation kung nasan man tayo ngayon. But here is the realization. Discomfort is often a sign of growth. Minsan, ang laki ng takot nating lumabas sa comfort zone natin. Na kung saan yung comfort na yon, yung comfort zone na yon parang pakiramdam natin hindi na tayo nag-grow. We are afraid of the upgrade. Kasi it looks different, it looks big, and it looks intimidating. Sabi nga ni John Maxwell, change is inevitable. Growth is optional. Magbabago talaga yung paligid natin. Pero choice na lang natin yun kung pipiliin nating mag-level up. Just like Asher. Don't be afraid to occupy new space. You weren't meant to be small forever. You were meant to occupy space that respects your progress. You cannot grow in a space that doesn't fit your potential. Kung pakiramdam mo yung paligid mo hindi na siya nagmamatch sa pangarap mo, teka lang. Baka sign na yon para naman mag-level up ka. Hindi naman kailangan biglaan. Pwede rin namang step by step lang. Parang yung pag-level up ni Asher, from the small litter box to the big boy litter box. So today, ask yourself, is your environment helping you grow? Or is it making you feel small? Be brave enough to take that upgrade. Ito na. Tumunog na yung dryer ko. It's time to fold. Sabi ko nga sa inyo sa bawat labada ko may isang bagong aral. This is my POV. See you next week.